To continue with the how-to videos on the Caddy furnaces, today we will show you how to install the optional blower assembly. So here is the optional blower assembly. Obviously it includes the blower itself, the power board, and one thing important to know is that the optional blower assembly can only be installed in the back of the furnace. So the first step to install the blower box is to remove that panel in the back of the furnace. And then install the blower box in the opening in the back. And fasten it with the screws on the back of the furnace. So once the blower box is fastened to the furnace, make sure your blower is connected to the power board, and then bring your telco wire through the grommets here up to the link housing and connect it to power.